What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Welcome back to another great video. Today we're gonna have a lot of fun by training our legs. And once again, before we even begin today's content, do me a favor, smash that like button for me. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure that you do so. All right, we're gonna begin today's exercise with nothing but just using our body weight to complete a nice 10-minute workout, right? 10 minute, just legs, nothing else involved. We're gonna go ahead and get some work in, all right? So let's go ahead, start our timer.
Starting your Tabata workout, right. Get ready.
We're about to have a lot of fun, 30 seconds of each exercise. We're gonna begin with some basic squats, okay? Let's go ahead and do this. Let's go.
Exercise 30 seconds. Cycle 1 cycle left. Set 1, 7 sets left.
There we go, nice and easy. It's not a race, really take your time. Try to keep your chest upright. All right, sink them hips in.
4, 3, 2, 1. Rest.
There we go. We're gonna go into the next one, reverse lunges. Okay.
Exercise 30 seconds. Set 2, 6 sets left.
All right, let's go. Try to make sure that your heel is on the ground the whole entire time, all right? Some of y'all tend to have your heels lifting up. Keep your chest upright the whole time as well.
Rest coming up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. We're gonna give our quads a break. Let's go ahead, hamstring, stretch out. Okay, come up. Really try to keep your back as straight as possible. Stretch all the way out. Got to really push that butt back. Try to keep.
5, 4, 3.
We'll feel a lot of tug back here.
Rest.
All right. Calf raises are next. Basic calf raises. Make sure that your toes are facing right in front of you. Extend up. Take your time. All right. This one really requires us to take our time. Oh yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, now we're gonna go inner thighs, sumos.
Exercise 30 seconds. 5, 3
Really
sets left.
stretch out our inner thighs. Come on.
Rest coming up. 5, 4.
Try to get as low as you can. Stretch it out. You might be tight, but it's good to do these exercises. Let's go in and out squats.
Set 6, 2 sets left. Rest coming up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest.
Man, that bad boy burn. Let's go.
Exercise 30 seconds.
Outside, there we go. Try to keep that knee straight as you can.
Rest coming up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right.
Exercise
Let's go.
30 seconds. Last set. Come on.
Let's go. Squat with a calf raise.
4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Recovery 30 seconds.
Lord have mercy. That's the first group. Man. So look,
Walk around slowly.
this is
Relax.
good.
Control your
Really
breathing.
feel a lot of blood in the quads. All right, we're gonna jump into our new group. All right, we're gonna start on the floor.
Exercise
Okay,
coming up.
start with some glute bridges. Let's go.
Exercise 30 seconds. Last cycle. Great going. Set 1. 7 sets left. Rest coming up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest.
All right, let's go. Reverse lunge into a squat.
Exercise 30 seconds. Set 2. 6 sets left. Rest coming up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest.
All right, we got butterfly calf raises.
Exercise 30 seconds. Set 3. 5 sets left.
Keep the heels as close to each other.
Rest coming up.
Have your toes pointing towards the outside.
4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, we got Kersey.
Exercise
go.
30 seconds. Set 4. 4 sets left. Rest coming up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest.
Oh, we jump squats. Let's go.
30 seconds. 3 sets left. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Exercise 30 seconds. Set
Take your
6.
time on this
2
one.
sets left.
You really want control. Pretend like you got some weights on it.
Rest coming up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest.
Let's go. Squat hold.
Exercise 30 seconds. Set 7. 1 set left.
Let's go. Keep yourself in a nice squat position. Chest up. Lock in.
Rest coming up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest.
Let's go.
Exercise 30 seconds.
Open
Last
up.
set. Come on.
Really open up your hips.
Rest coming up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Rest.
All right.
Recovery 30 seconds.
Awesome. Awesome work, guys. Now, complete swole. Feel a lot of blood in here.
Walk around slowly.
Feels good.
Control
You know?
your breathing.
Nice, simple. Ooh, leg workout, leg blast. Really want a good challenge. Just gonna get it for you. Hope you guys like today's content as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Looking forward to seeing you guys on many more videos to come. Let's go.